Changing technology is bringing us new ways to earn money. You no longer need to depend on your 9-to-5 job. If you start today, maybe you will be able to replace your job within the near future. That being said, there is a plethora of online ways to make money, and people don't know where to start from. Therefore, we have tried to research the top 5 ways to earn money online for you. Number 1. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. Look at Mr. Beast, for example. He started with nothing and today he has become a brand himself. Nothing is impossible. To create a strong, dedicated audience, your YouTube channel should focus on a specific niche. You could, for example, make cosmetic lessons, stream video games, review items, teach skills, make spoof films, or anything else you believe will appeal to a large audience. The key to making money on YouTube is to generate material that people want to watch, whether it's educational or entertaining. To persuade people to watch, you can use a clever headline or keywords that are optimized for YouTube search. You may officially monetize your channel with YouTube advertising once you've reached the 1,000 subscriber mark and 4,000 hours watch time. Number 2. Consider freelancing. The simplest method to generate money online is to take your present 9-to-5 job and work it from home. If you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, or other professional, you may promote your skills and find clients eager to pay you for them online. There's also an endless variety of websites dedicated to each type of freelancing job. Freelancer writers, for example, can apply for employment on specialist online writing job boards as well as general freelancing websites such as Fiverr, Upwork, and others. If your employment doesn't offer any direct online money-making opportunities, check for other transferable abilities you may have. To make money as a freelancer online, you must first establish a great portfolio. To begin, this may include doing some free work for some renowned mid-tier brands. Once you've built up a solid portfolio, you may start pitching big clients to make more money online. Remember that freelancing is a number game. The more individualized your emails and applications are, the more likely you are to receive a response. Number 3. Create an app. If you're not a developer, you're probably feeling a little stuck when it comes to this money-making notion. Fortunately, there is a way to get an app developed without having to know how to code. Once again, you head to any freelance website and hire any app developer for this purpose. Adding your software to Google Play and the App Store will be your best option for making money with it. And, contrary to popular belief, a free app can help you make more money than a commercial one. You may make money by adding adverts or premium features to a free app. Because the free software will attract a larger number of users, upselling them will be easy. Number 4. Invest in stocks or cryptos and NFTs. Investing in stocks might also help you generate money quickly. If you aren't an expert at stock selecting, you might want to pass on this money-making opportunity. While it has the largest potential rewards, it can also result in financial loss if you are inexperienced. Look into your company's financial plans. If you currently work a 9-to-5 job, then is it possible to invest in the company's stock? If that's the case, join up for it. As an employee, you have some say in the company's success with a company stock program. If your employer offers an RRSP matching program, you can take advantage of it to save for retirement or a down payment on your first home. Alternatively, you can learn stock or crypto trading through various online courses. Some platforms like eToro will even provide you dummy capital to try trading for the first time. This can be a great way to learn by doing without risking your own money. Number 5. Create a podcast or share a story. Everyone seems to be crazy about recording podcasts. And there is a good reason behind it. People are extremely busy with their lives. No one has time to read books or attend seminars, and this presents an opportunity for you to make money. Sure, it takes some time to build up an audience, but there is a fantastic opportunity to make money just by sharing your opinion and advice. If you don't have experience in any field yourself, you can take an interview of any field expert or a famous person. People are always searching for new content online. When you start a podcast, you'll be able to share stories from the lives of these successful people. Their struggles and their successes will motivate people to look forward to your podcast. You can hop on Fiverr or Upwork and find people that can do audio mixing for you. Hey, that's it for today. Thanks for watching.